Hello students, welcome back to the class, and today we are going to discuss the case study based questions from the chapter Light. I hope that you have gone through my previous video where I have discussed the case study from the chapter Life Processes, and I hope that this part of the case study will also be very helpful for you. So let's get started with our first passage. So students, this is our first passage which is based on the lenses, and it is also telling us about different image formations which are seen in the concave lens and the convex lenses. As you know that on this passage you will be getting 5 questions and they will be MCQs. So let us discuss those 5 questions and find out the answers. The first question is, the location of the image formed by a convex lens when the object is placed at infinity is. So students, if this is a convex lens and if the object is placed at infinity, then the image will definitely form at the focus. The light rays which are falling on this lens will pass on to the other side and they will pass through the focus of the lens. And that is why option A will be the correct answer for this question. Our next question is, when the object is placed at the focus of concave lens, the image formed is. Let us take a concave lens. If the object is placed at the focus of the concave lens, the image will be formed at infinity. If we use the lens formula, then the U is equal to minus F, because this is the focal length, and focal length will be positive, so it will be taken as F for the concave lens. V we have to find out. According to lens formula, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now we will put the values. 1 upon V minus 1 upon minus F is equal to 1 upon F, and here on this basis 1 upon V will be 0 and V will be infinity. So that is why we can say that the image will be formed at infinities, and the answer for this question will be option D. The third question is, the size of the image formed by a convex lens when the object is placed at the focus of the convex lens is. If we draw a convex lens, this is the principal axis, and the object is placed at the focus of the convex lens, the image will be so as you can see in the diagram, if the object is placed at the focus, then the image which is formed, it is on the right hand side and it will be highly magnified and it will form at infinity. So option C will be the answer for this particular question. The next question is, when the object is placed at 2f in front of convex lens, the location of the image will be. This is F, focal length, and it is the center of curvature, that is 2f. If the object is placed at the 2f, then image will be formed on the 2f onto the other side. So image will be formed at the 2f on the other side. So option B will be the answer for this question. At which location of the object in front of concave lens, the image between focus and optical center is formed. For the concave lens, if the image has to be formed between the optical center and the focus, so it is the optical center, and if it is the focus, if the image has to be formed in this particular region between the focus and the optical center, then the object has to be placed anywhere between center and infinity. So these were the 5 questions based on the passage number 1. Now let us see the passage number 2, and this is based on the refraction and the refractive indices of the light and different media. Again, we will have 5 MCQs based upon this, and let us discuss those 5 MCQs and find these answers. The first question is, when the light travels from air to glass, the ray of light bends. Students, glass is a denser medium than as compared to air. So whenever the light moves from rarer medium to denser medium, then the ray of light bends towards the normal, and that is why option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, a ray of light passes from medium A to another medium B. No bending of light occurs if the ray of light hits the boundary of medium B at an angle of. If the ray of light hits the boundary of the medium at 90 degrees, then the deflection or the deviation will not be seen, and that is why the answer will be option C, 90 degree. Third question is, when light passes from one medium to another, the frequency of the light. Whenever the light moves from rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium, the frequency of the light does not change and it remains the same. So the answer is option C. Question number 4. When the light passes from glass to water, the speed of the light. The speed of the light increases when the light moves from denser medium to the rarer medium. So here water is a rarer medium, and that is why the speed of the light actually increases. So the answer is option A. The fifth question, the bottom of pool filled water appears to be when we look inside any object which is filled with water, even it is a bucket or it is a swimming pool, then it appears to be shallower due to refraction of the light. So that is all, students. We have discussed these two case studies, these two passages, and we have also seen the 5 MCQs from each of the passages, and we have discussed the questions and we have discussed the answers. I hope that you will like the content, and if you have liked the content, please put likes on the videos. Comments are very important. Please post the comments in the comment box and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that I can bring more such contents in front of you through my video lectures from science. Thanks a lot for watching this video till this moment. See you until next time.